Good morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you like the morning montage that I did this morning. And yeah, today is the dentist. And yeah, and I sign up for my purple card. And we also have to go to the dew drop today. And yeah, so it's gonna be a long, fun day. And yeah, so I'm just getting ready. My appointment's not until 11:40. I was up a little earlier than supposed to. But who knows, I might just catch up on the rest of 1,000-Pound Sisters. Because I got the remote right here. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. To get my shoes on, guys. So we're just waiting at City Hall because they canceled the bus. And yeah, so we had to go to City Hall to wait for the bus. And then I'm on my way to the dentist. Buses are low of people right now. And I'm pretty sure this dentist appointment is just a cleaning. So it shouldn't take that long. And yeah, so that's what's going on. And then we're heading to the dew and to get set up for the purple card, which will take 4 to 6 weeks to come in. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I got done at the dentist and I was right, it was just a cleaning. And yeah, and I got the hiccups from all the water she was spraying in my mouth and how much air I had to suck through the tube. So I have the hiccups right now, guys. No! Please, Lord, get rid of these hiccups. And yeah. Don't do that. And yeah, so these hiccups are really bad. I think it's because I was sucking through the tube when she does the water thing. Yeah, so now I got the hiccups. And I'll see you guys in a bit. That was a bummer. Couldn't have hot lunch at the Dude because it was turkey.
Yeah.
So we ended up getting bagged lunches. And yeah, so that's what happened. And we're just waiting for this because we have 5 minutes for the bus to go home, get our stuff, and then we gotta go get my purple card. And yeah, so that's what we're doing.
I made myself that true lime lemonade.
We are on our way to get the purple card sorted out.
Yep.
And yeah, so
you only have a year on your health card.
Yeah, I only have a year on my health card. It says online it all depends on your expiry date.
Yeah, expiry
for
date.
Your health card.
Yeah.
So we'll find out, right?
Yeah.
Have like a year.
Yeah.
Was
you
it
had
next?
a year in May.
Is it like next year?
Yeah, 2026.
I have to get it renewed.
Yeah, right on your birthday.
Yeah.
May 7th. Unless we do that a day before your birthday. Then we might be a little safer.
So yeah, we're going down to the Balmoral one. And that's what we're doing. We made it to Service Ontario. Persian Man's beside us. That's the red roof building. And yeah, so fortunately there's no vlogging in a Ontario building. So I will see you when I get out.
Oh.
And yeah.
They can't stop you.
Now we're gonna get a coffee. Supposedly I have money left. I guess there is no taxes.
There is no taxes on here.
$35.
I kept on telling you that, monkey butt. You didn't believe me. Now you do. It's 35 every time. That's to replace it too.
Yeah, it's David's fault. We gotta go back tomorrow.
Yeah.
David didn't put the other sheet of my birth certificate in there. So
But the lady there understands that that is how that was the only way we could get a piece of your birth certificate. So she will accept it.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Yeah, I gotta put it in the backpack tonight. So I will be. and then we'll be headed here tomorrow. First thing tomorrow. So final, they open at 9. I'm kicking your ass out of bed at 8. So it gives us an hour to get ready to come over here. Okay?
Now off for coffee.
Well, you can get a nice cup at least. It'll cost you only something. Oh.
Dairy Queen does mochas too.
Yeah, they're a little bit more.
No, really.
Yeah. I watched it. I looked at it when you got one.
So I got an ice cap
And
and a
donut.
donut. I have enough left for my
Purple card tomorrow.
purple card tomorrow.
It was my mistake. So I only thought I need 2 pieces of paper at home.
Yeah, but you have to have the full
Thing.
card.
Yeah.
And I gave him crap in front of the lady.
I
And
didn't
she's
know
like,
that the back
whoa,
was the-
you're in trouble now.
Yeah. I said, well, at least I know I need the back, the other sheet of paper, and I know where it is. So.
We just got home, so yeah, and tomorrow I go and sign up for the purple card, which will take 4 to 6 weeks. We were in there today, but David forgot a piece to my birth certificate. I guess we were given a photocopied, and they usually don't allow that, but they're allowing it just this once, because I never had a purple card before. And yeah, so I'm going to end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.